What is going on, guys? I welcome you to ifectioner.com video tutorials, and in this video tutorial series, that is HTML5 and CSS3 tutorial, we are discussing about how to make a full functional website for beginners. So let's begin. And guys and girls, we have decided that we would be making a website like this using the new HTML5 tags and CSS3 properties. To begin, I will make a new web page and I would name it template.html. One more thing, guys and girls, that I am using a Notepad++, a software called Notepad++. It's free and you can also download it by searching it on the net. And I would make a new web page, so I click on File, New, and it opens a new page for me, and I would name this page as template.html. So I click on File, Save As, and I name it as template, and in Save As type I select .html, hypertext markup language file, and I click on the Save button. For new HTML5, we begin our coding like it. You use less than sign, explanation sign, and you type doc type HTML. For HTML tags, we usually use HTML tags in less than and greater than tags. So you begin your HTML tag with less than sign and ends it with greater than sign. And the first HTML tag is HTML, and I would close the HTML tag. Within the HTML tag, you can specify the language, and I would be using English. That's why I use HTML lang equals to n. And the HTML document has got two main parts. Number one is head, and the other part is the body. And we whatever we develop in our web pages, we develop it in the body tag. And head tag is usually for specifying the titles, meta tags, and for search engine optimization, and to include some files. So in the head tag, we have got a title tag, and you can give the title in the title tag ifectioner.com video tutorials, because I would be making a website for ifectioner.com. And I have given the title tag, and in the body tag I can give the different tags which I would be using in my web page. So we have decided that we want to make a website like this, and this website and web pages would have a header section, a navigation section, a left hand side bar section, the main section, and the footer section. So to begin our header section, we use the header tag. And guys and girls, please note that whenever I start a tag, I end it with / that tag. And I like Notepad++ because it formats your tags really well, and you can use Notepad if you would like to do it. In the header section, we can see that we have got a logo and we have got a welcome message. So logo is basically an image file. So I use image tag and I give the source because my file would be in the same directory as my template.html file. Therefore I just give source equals to logo.htm, and I know that the width of my logo would be 150 pixel and the height of my logo would be 100 pixels. And guys and girls, one more thing, an important thing to note is that you should be giving the IDs of each and every tag, and that is a good practice. But if you do not give the tags IDs to the tags, then you can always do that later on when we will be developing our web CSS style sheet. So right now I just give it that the image source is logo.html, the width of the image is 150 pixels, height is 100 pixels, and if you do not find the file, then alternatively you can say that iFactioner logo. So if the image cannot be shown, then text would be shown saying iFactioner logo. And if we see our template, then we have got a message that would display welcome to ifactioner.com video tutorials. So it is just a simple paragraph saying welcome to ifactioner.com video tutorials, and I end that tag with /p. So now we have got our header section, and if we save our template and go to run menu and launch in Chrome, because I'm using Chrome on my computer, and if you are using Firefox or IE, you can just select the browser you would like to check your pages in. So I click on launch in Chrome, and right now we have got a simple page, and that page is showing our text iFactioner logo, because that picture we have not put our logo in the directory, and it is just showing welcome to ifactioner.com video tutorials. So now we have made a header, but that header doesn't look anything like this header, or our page is not looking like that. But we would be using the cascading style sheets in our next tutorials to make our header being shown like this. And in the next tutorial we would be putting more tags in the navigation bar, left hand side bar, articles and the footers. So see you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.